In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or enable Gmail two-factor authentication. This is a crucial step in securing your Gmail account, and I'm delighted to guide you through the process in just a few minutes. So, let's dive right in and make sure that your Gmail account is as secure as possible. First things first, you'll need to open up your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, take a look towards the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your profile picture. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to a central hub where you can manage all aspects of your Google account. Once you're on the Google Account Settings page, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Among several options, you'll notice one labeled Security. Go ahead and click on this. The Security section is your go-to area for reviewing and updating your security settings. It's where you can ensure that your account remains as protected as possible. As you scroll through the security settings, you'll come across a section called How You Sign Into Google. This is a vital area where you can make updates to your sign-in preferences. Within this section, there's an option titled Two-Step Verification. Click on this to proceed. After you click on Two-Step Verification, you'll be brought to a screen that provides a brief overview of this feature. This is where you'll find the Turn on Two-Step Verification button. Select this option to begin the setup process. Setting up two-step verification means that any time you or anyone else attempts to sign into your Gmail account from an unrecognized device or location, a second form of verification will be required. This could be in the form of a text message, a phone call, or through an authentication app. Once you've clicked Turn on Two-Step Verification, follow the on-screen prompts. The system may ask you to verify your phone number. This step is essential as it adds that second layer of security. You'll receive a code, either via a text message or a voice call, which you'll need to enter to complete the verification process. After you've successfully entered the verification code, the feature will be activated, and that's it. You've now added a significant amount of security to your Gmail account. Make sure to click Done to officially complete the setup process. By enabling two-factor authentication, you've made it much harder for anyone to gain unauthorized access to your account, which is a crucial step in protecting your personal information. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in securing your Gmail account. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist. Stay safe and secure.